A number of years ago, we experienced a really devastating loss of federal funding to the tune of $2.1 million. And, what the advocates and folks wanted to do was to go to the state legislature to make up for that money, because it would have led to a really devastating destruction of our very fragile safety net. So we did, and as many of you know, state legislators are loath to put state money in to make up for loss of federal funding. But we fought, and we fought with data. We gathered data from all the programs about what would happen, what would the loss of that funding entail in terms of jobs lost, client services lost, fewer clients being able to be served. We also, I'm kind of my own little traveling roadshow, going around the state and talking with people with HIV about what this meant. What is this funding? Where does it come from? How is it awarded to different states and municipalities? What does it translate into terms of services that you get that help you stay healthy? And with all of those, I look at it as a multi-pronged approach, and listening to my fellow organizers, connecting the dots of all of these things. And we organize a big AIDS Awareness Day at the state capitol every year. And that particular year, we really did have about 500 people come from every corner of the state to come up to the Capitol, make appointments with their legislators, meet with their legislators. And mostly it was people with HIV and AIDS, many of whom were meeting with their legislators for the first time and telling their stories, connecting the dots for the legislators. So it was really empowering for them. They got really excited about being part of the process, and going back to, I think Francis talked about a participatory democracy, being a really participatory event and not being an outsider.